like a seed. 4K Woody stepping in, baby, this the big league. I'm a ball to the top, got my word and my balls. Beat came up and we just wanna hop. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Woody Wednesday, baby. Not alone. Got my brother, Broke Boy. Babachele boy.
The boy, Folk boy, the boy never settled for Mawaza straight all the way from 057.
Hey, she's too messy in the studio, bro. We have like Peace and Chill Network in the chat. Yeah, we also have an artist in the building, man. We have Naughty Kid K. We have Mr. Manager. But without further ado, guys, we had to come back. We had to make the return to save you guys from the cocomelons and stuff like that, man.
What you got in your mind, boy?
So ish. There's a chat that I wanted us to like finish now.
Yeah.
Kuchong, we shot a video where we were talking about how would you react if like your friend tells you for your girlfriend is cheating on you. Nah, I feel like Haraba too deep into it.
Explain more.
Give me your thoughts on that one.
And I can tell for him it's a good thing for him. For him media you febetse so and also if on like how build such information then that guy is not your friend, bro. He's a fake friend. So my thoughts on that, I can say for tell the truth, man.
But there are people who react differently to the truth.
Yeah, so
when you tell them for your girl this then that. Of mansa for mjita o ke type ya loring o tlo ya ho girlfriend ya hae a lo mmotsa kapa a mjwetse for baby Broke Boy a re tje baby le ena ba tlhaga Broke Boy o mahaka go tshone tjena na Broke Boy
okay wena to believe Broke Boy a choose Broke Boy kapa Medio
na I cannot believe Medio
na you believe Njaka
I cannot believe Medio to believe Njaka mara na I would prefer for motho a ska njwetsa at all. I like to fuck around. I like to fuck around and find out.
So when I read to learn about boy and feel what react in a bad way or
my company I find out on my own.
And physically so how to react come on verbal or physical.
But hopefully for on our toilet they can lie just so they can get your girl. You understand?
I don't think I can say into it but how do you but
what if that day
that day you get case that's the deal get the case that's the if you wanna and jagat man to see this off for media on this just feel like okay get the media nah fana I'm a queer. Yeah.
Okay, how do you feel about a girl who has a homeboy?
I don't trust homeboys, boy. The homeboy did fun. I won't lie, boy. On that one, and that's a jolly midi on a homeboy.
Yeah, see,
that's an L.
Now, if I find out that my girl has a homeboy, and take my situation in some she has to choose me or the homeboy. If you pick the homeboy,
over you.
I'm gone. I'm out of there, boy.
And that's already choose like for real. Into it exists. So into it's all a just for one I confront that much. We're just gonna be like, we injure because you did that.
You did that.
We injure because we're let's meet.
Yeah.
So no chila I'm fana. Agasa kinana for it. But what aging yagane? Abasa tabela bonto nya tse tse jwalo ya gore o njelletse just fela because of one batla go ba le ngwana bra go ba le ngwana no tsina mfana as a success
as achievement
okay as achievement that all also so I'm thinking to lori we pakela mathata mfana bo so you don't have to like ujelle out here for to the breeze
and you think it's crazy how lo we fumana ole in a relationship with like 5 girls who want to expect to go for raw praise for that.
What's actually only motel khona go hetua ke me di A1 mara bantsa jolo le di medi tse pae.
Yeah,
let's say you busy so we can say Jonas but una le median A1 no go how uyamnqangwa boy amnqangwa so maka uchite yo mfana utoheteya so utoheteya if you like you are not cheating so
because
Bravo.
there's umshito omolomo
yeah
onale that one girl
yeah
eloreng tate yo if this one leaves ha bana ba nke ba lahla kaofela.
that's why bare when actually okay la ntho ngwe ke bonene on Facebook so e caught attention ya ka so or ska lose medi e sharp just because e jwe high one
Motepe ajwe haiwane
yeah
Antsa
ujwe
shola
high
len-
one but give me the sharp
antsa shola len.
yeah
Ai na mona la o ka suna out e nngwe o jola le nna I'm gone boy.
yeah fine that's why I'm not choosing now to be honest na ke batle medi e groova bana because ka di bona ko groove frame na ha fitla Facebook sharp entle ke media in all ne ha fitla media o tla wa actor ka re bona like o focusitse medimojiteng o na but ha fitla bo ma groove bo kae e mo so mona sa emele mamma la ba sa ema fe okay ya etsala for emele medi fela nje yabo but gona re le mauti di POV tsa gona dia differ so
Di a differ.
o bona ka hi ba jola or there's something going on between the two what's the next so my chat in le like shit wow what le le ba le remind lo but then yeah man you can continue I forgot my chat
Nna
yeah
nna I wouldn't date a girl eloreng wa groove. I wouldn't date ke like straight saka. I wouldn't date a girl eloreng wa groove. I wouldn't date a girl that drinks alcohol.
yo wena masepa
I wouldn't- I wouldn't date
ta
I
ana
wouldn't-
jwala mbethu
I wouldn't date a
sa
girl that
jwala
drinks
so
alcohol. But
mfana
But
ano popa mfana
but
popa khale
company ka ska
I won't
popa.
lie.
Company ka
Popa
ska popa. I will never settle down with a girl that feels like okay, hey, today tlametse ke lo reka bo Savannah. No way, boy. I'm
As
not
in
gonna
cheesy.
do that.
When
There
I-
are girls
when
ka
I-
tle ka mane ba lo reng mona ba ja bo di sushi mfethu. Bana ba jang di sushi. O sa go o
so batamela for banana ba jang di-sushi abane jwala
ona ba sa nweng. Not all girls drink alcohol.
fana
Ke a tsaya for re phela generationeng e le horeng alcohol le ebile pele la e praise but not all girls drink alcohol.
but hona le batho le goreng ba nwa jwala for have a fun hona le bana ba nwelang jwala for stress
Hona le ba ile gore ba nwa
So,
jwala
e-
because chomi tsa ba di nwa jwala. Mara hantle-hantle
e
ba
ke
deep
peer
down-
pressure eo fela
Understand?
e ke peer pressure
Understand?
mfana.
O bona le bana ba sa nweng jwala. Ke rata bana ba sa nweng jwala.
Mara ba ska re seng fana I don't think ke dimedi tse di dulang di le teng matlong a ba ska re seng fana you have to look for him
Well, not
You
according
have
to my roster. Okay, not roster, but not according to my history. I just roster jwale tlo se ka ke na metsi mo.
o tseba
But
ma
not according to my
what if
history.
ba teng
No.
what if na dimedi tse paya mfana
I'm not the type of guy where ke mesa around le dimedi tse ngata because I feel like oh dog o tsentse o share energy. Understand?
Full.
So if boma ke entertain medi tse 5 ke 1 hodima le 1
ba ba fa attention ba le
I
5
have to make 5 girls happy.
shit
You understand how crazy is that?
mara at least ma gona get more because what o etsa o be happy ba le kaofela
Ba tlo nketsa ke be happy kaofela mare ke kile ka ba situationeng se jwalo ne mara jwale nna ke motho a le hore ha ke kwatetse one ke ba kwatela kaofela
shit o masepa o
ha ke kwatetse one ke ba kwatela kaofela like serious because man na ha ke tsebe so mara ke feel ka go cheat se ntho le hore since ke batla o kopanya le yona because that o share energy mfethu ngabo
O tshwana le
nou tjena,
sex, actually.
wena o le one o le broke boy tlametse o etse sure for re thabile
O
nthabiseng thabeleng bale palesa mamang ba happy
tla mo tse
We
bonnete
won.
ba re thabile o thabile
Wa tshwanetse tse sure for re thabile o
thabile.
thabile thabeleng o thabile
Hey.
thabiseng o
o
thabile
tla ke di nta
Ta, ta, ta.
mara moving forward so how do you feel about gatekeepers you know
Eh, gatekeepers boy yo I feel like gatekeepers in problem of one I feel like how about gatekeeper it's either oba big headed in the business and then we wanna handle for okay nah shit I can actually get Drake I can chill with Jay-Z wabo so the gatekeepers the for business wise
and
ba itimatsa le bona because no like what if a gatekeeper let's say I'm a rapper and I want to blow mahona I'm trying to well get for if I hlangana with this person
everything is
I'm
gonna
gonna get out of the hood
Yeah.
ne so wena as gatekeeper how go inahane bo ntho hore no man mzala ha ke mo fa chance ha ka blow, obviously he's not gonna forget about me.
Because re qadile ntho na re di
And
team,
ha
so
papa
how
ke a
could you do
popa.
that? Yeah.
So what if wena one gatekeeper, hosane, the people no longer fuck with you, they fuck with me. Now I'm the bigger person, which I can not that guy. Babo, o to expect for na go thusa, but uno sa bone ntho tse o di etsang. You understand?
Yeah.
Le rona ke ile ga ba, I won't mention any names, mara ga tseba for le rona ke ile ga ba situation e se le hore somebody tried to gatekeep us.
Ma, do you think
After re
that's some
iphumana-
okay?
after re iphumana re le
So
ntho.
for ke nahanong fanaka. Do you think that man o ona re gatekeeper so or ona push a business ya ka kello ya hae?
That
Oh,
man
he
is-
doesn't just fuck with us mona more because
I mean,
yeah.
if agare he doesn't fuck with us, ke tlo bona ele crazy in a way. Cause why? Mfethu re dintwananyana tsa kasi. Ntho e re e etsang ha hona moo e kopanang le ntho e o e etsang.
Hoha.
You understand? So giving the boys a shot for him. Ntwana tsaka tse ke ntshwara ntse mo sepananda. Obvious mfethu wa re phuta on as braya rona
Ntwana
jwa
tsa
ka
hao,
go
eh.
hlomphile kasi.
Sure.
You understand? Jwale, if you don't fuck with us, fade. Who win? Mara nane sentse fela go bontsha for e ron to re you don't fuck with us, mara we kids and crazy cause hoba ha re mention ama khotman a kasi. Ga go balla chatting tse, wabo.
Yeah.
So
Mna ke a utlwa mfana you are talking, but o kila o ipha nako ya gore like let me confront this guy so and tell him for him how do I feel about this situation and all
oh
that.
no.
Because I think you all like to sing Tori. Communication is the key. But now,
But
that's not the key.
let me tell you why ngase mo confront.
Yeah.
What if ke mo confronta in a good way? Mara yena ha e fitla yena ke fitla in a bad way. Aba kwala dipompo tsa masepala.
Okay, cool. How do you go to the masipala? Taba di kuetse in resentse le gore le utlwa. I just want to confront you play your role there.
Mara hoduma
But that's okay yena for na entle ke yena na o inka jwang this whole thing.
But remember, he still doesn't fuck with us. So yeah, na hanga mo text like in a kind way for Hotman. It's like I rate so. Hona batho ba loreng mona. O ke bona ha le Hotman le big, o confront ke ntwana. To fela re ntwana ya onyatsa. Hona ba ba loreng okay shit, I ke confront ke ntwana, go show flop ke na tlametse ke itukise. Wabo. So chances it's a what if ra mo confronta and then yena ke one of those Hotman se loreng ha ka se confront ke ntwana. Ano tsa ni se ke ntwana. Wabo. Plus le yena tla go kwala dipompo because dipompo di ngata tse le gore ka di kwala shit.
But as far as you knew this guy though, do you think for like a ka reacta ka tsela yo buang ka yona ya gore like if mo confront to feel nga go confront ke dintwana and all that?
I know him but I don't know him to that level ya gore ke situations in the chena ga reacta chena. I only know like the media side of him. Ntho le gore batho ba tla bona ka ofela. Just like me, people know Woody.
I don't know pioneers.
About to be seen. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So le yena mzala ke tseba that guy. I get to be the real him. So I get to for na yena o tlo bona jwa. And six ke sa rate bo like. Wabo. Cause nna ntse ngata ke prefer ho thola so. I prefer
But ho thola mfana ha you thusika next mfana. Sometimes you have to like ubue so mantswa so bona mzala to lenda jwa mo go yena ho yena so ona o ta dira ga tsona di dijo bona ta bo bule part ya mfana
o iloreng ka mo confronta me.
Yeah, ke mo.
If like ona akare etsa in a bad way. O iloreng ka mo confront ke Hotman la rona. Ramtseba.
Yeah.
Cause nje nqotseng ke ne re le activation ya Makubeng jalo 57 cafe. Ba ke Mr Manager ba tla go lo bua le ya man ke ga ha tjo. Zala sa go bua go tlo go tshwarela mo
To go tshwarela mo awara yeah. Oh sure.
Ke gae.
Khotso ke eno lo ka mo confront.
Nga mo confront because ke Hotman le lo reng mona. Wa rata ho shebiseya le yena ne. Le yena tla o shebisa. So Mr Manager kaya yena for ha ne ke re kuisa ho mthwana jole the man a o bua o lo mona o bua o 20 minutes a fitla ka sa chest so ka fitla a tla ona fela re tlo ba re wena o itse ke bua o lo mona so to keep fela e be ntwenya
le na tse di ratela ola e bua le era for na ba fethu if you to bua le you have to be patient because you wanna get to bua le lona so le mamele le nke di notes le ska tenewa because nna ke bua ho
mara what I like ke hore ha o bua le na bo 20 minutes it's not like bo mantho tse o di buang mo ke into the pointless, you understand?
It's
O
all
ka
about
tloha mo ka advice
le
la
knowledge
business. O
boy
ka tloha mo
ona le knowledge ngwe
o fuwe strategy. Ngwabo. So
Sure.
ke mo ratela ntho ya hore mona as much as yena kgona ho tshwarella bo 30 minutes ntse di bua
sure
o jwetsa ntho tse leng ye mona ntle ke le wena ha o di share for mo wa tsanga tsa ntho tse khotmana di bua
di nga ngwaela sharp ne
yeah mare let's move on ka tla re
Let's
thepe
move
ini
on.
ka si hanyane fela mona.
sure
How do you feel about KLD once said Kuzeka is the best podcast Monvela. What do you think?
sorry yeah I think mfethu mfana o bua nnete la reason being like o shebe ntho tse lo re Khuzeka wa di bua so podcast nza entle ke wa di cover so o cover ntho tsa Free State
The first state, yeah.
more than tsa bo di provinces tse ding so baba. So I could say for a man yena ke na the biggest here in 057 and like in Free State at all. So yeah. So what's your
Nah, I tell you, man, because locally, I think you could bua ntho before. For locally, Kuzeka ke podcast tse le horeng kare they inspire me, you know. Like I se re bua ka tse haufinyana.
o ispara ka tsela tse jwang fana?
Ema work ethic ya Kuzeka e kgopo mfethu. Le yena the way like a leng ka teng on camera. Ha mind ho bua tse di bua. Ha mind o etsa anything check o ntse that girl at work neng mona.
Yeah.
So yeah, ke ena McG ka si wa se re bua like
Yeah, ke na McG ka si.
Ke ena McG ka si le. Mara also ona le episode ya la shoota le Mezo mtsa
Mezo yeah ke bone
yeah. So ka go bua ka the ya Mezo e for mona o ntse re khaya Dumaku this that.
Nanto ye ratang amzala ka Mezo ne. Mfana la ha fitla podcasting ye la. Ha ba unfiltered do. O buile ntho le gore yena o believe for ke nnete ho yena. A ke tsebe le nna for na ke nnete ka pojane but I feel like that man o buile ntho le gore na batla go e bua since you can find out for man that man o la confront mo utla tsona di situations na then be di etsa hala hape continuously then he decided for us like let me go to the media and spill the beans and he went there after that bua ntho e bua.
Mara wena, how would you react if you were in that situation?
I will react the same way he did. Though.
Yeah.
I will react the same way he did.
Because what do you mean? How should I di artwork? Ke o shapela
how should I shoot
again? Music video. Because we say like I said, la some pity like ke hlele music video, but as long as I'm there just
presence.
So I can presence. So le nna ke feel like nka kwata way too much.
Yeah, eliminate that point.
Because what do you mean? Go etsa di cover art and then when I shoot the music video and the worst shoot a music video what pina tse lo cover art tsa yona di entswe ke
eliminate that's all.
So ntofela ama Mezo Chezana tlo re shebella kapa direct here and there. Mezo di creative.
Yeah. Perfect.
Mezo di creative so ke nana for aka ho ka ba le boma like the ideas tse lo aka di tlisa during the shoot for what's ntle ke mantsa dale yena batla mo etsa edope ne mara ka etsa so
at least una spices kinyana yeah so amana the way I reacted nga teng fethu mana ke appreciate the boy the way anything into tsa ka teng fana boy because at the end of the day you have to fight for your own work so the way he did ona tseba for ona wa etsa ntho e entseng then e mosebelleditse rona ka batho jalo ka batho ba le gore mashebelletse mfana that's a good move.
Speaking of Khaya Dumaku, let's talk about the big 3 versus Slick Records Academy.
I wasn't that tapped in, but we can talk about that.
The diss tracks. I will the diss tracks. Okay, which one do you think took the cup? Big 3 or Slick Records? Who bodied who?
Mama, you bona mo utlhahlisitse makase da mfetho ke tseba makase ke pina ya bo Seven Flag, right? Yeah, ke on.
Makasi ki pina ya bo ke district ya bo Spokane bana isa ho ntho
Okay,
Bo Sef.
before re ya dane bo Sefe ba tropile district tse kae?
I think ba tropile tse 2.
Bo Khaya.
Bokaya ka ba tropile e 1.
But bo Khaya ba tropile so
E clear tsena tse pedi tse tswileng mo Slack Records.
yeah you had ne but ana ja rata the way motho ba buileng ka teng so ka situation se tsalang so ke feel ka motho tsa ba jela setsana mfetho bo le mmeze o ibuile the idea for motho e feel ka ba jela setsana they should have like ba buildana mfetho abo
Let me tell you one thing.
mari district ke ntho tse le gore di a hlokahala mfetho as long since batho ba ile I like what I'm trying to say gore
Let me tell you one thing, ne. What's up? Okay, let's see. Mauti behind closed doors, ba utlwana.
for sure
Ne.
yeah for sure
Now I feel like this track, it was a good move because
for exposure ne?
yeah, ngabo sharp big 3 ba big mantsa ba ka Jozi and all that. Le Slack Records Academy ba ka da ka Jozi ba big le bo. Mara at some point I felt like those diss tracks were needed. You understand?
Yeah.
I felt like they were needed. Mara le teng hape. The reason why Big 3 ba dropile diss track e 1 is because Slack Records diss track tsa bona
Ke masahlela. Boja Bible ophinya amen.
o ja Bible ophinya amen tse jwalo ba mamang omtala dog
Ke
hasi
bo
wabo
ne ke duma metse so mara na
Utse-
choose
utse-
ngafa mauti bo speak mfana ntho so the big 3 credit da because like the way when I articulate manzo bona da beat
was spoken fana they understood
mfana, yo,
Big 3 understood
crazy.
for yo this is a rap battle we must diss each other bani bona spoken fana umotala ka re load shading hey ka after 12 misong wabo
Mga mne mauti ba entse span sa bona mfetho.
Lenda mare if like I was in that position if take drop this strike e 1 e hard ba responda ka ntho hayi mina ngi 1 by 10 ke ba maiza
Ngaba maiza.
ke ba maiza
Mara mne da Teddy so ga phulile string se masepa choose. Ke mo fa di flowers tsa.
fana ka di
I don't know,
flowers
no.
fana ka di flowers
I get to go now re.
fana ka di flowers
No, man, I'm not a
No,
bad guy, though.
not
I'm not
really.
a bad guy.
I don't want to talk too much about those guys, boy. Because one thing I know is, bona whether you say something good or bad about them, they're gonna find a way to use it against you at some point. Wabo. So now you got the drama, boy. I got the drama. But you see that nigga Uncle G. Let's not go there.
Let's move forward. I don't know what you have in your mind, boy.
Nah, ish. I don't know. I think I'm out, boy.
You think you're out? Nah, I'm not out. Let's talk about the local brands. Do you think like Human Double Trees or a body by the local brands? It's a little tragedy. Aksabona tragedy, aksabona extraordinary. All I see in my feet
So
is Human.
I'm gonna say this with my chest looking straight into the camera.
It's a joy on Fanaka.
Human 333 came and bodied all the clothing brands in Umvela.
Mad. Talent aim fan.
Talent Amy, but let's check the sales, boy.
Okay, cool.
Oya tropong oya ka siya skolong oya ka you see Human 333.
So what umbrella for 333 a body bag into Strive City.
Strive City.
Sabala Human o produce ntho tsa kae?
Strive City.
Manufacture.
Sharp. Human o printer Strive
But you
City.
no bad blood mfana. I fuck with
Sure, but listen, ne. Human o printer Strive City. Mara just because wena o kene rap game pele be ke blow ka wena doesn't mean for a ke no hlola ka hore ba khona. You understand what I'm saying?
But the root ke maha.
A dire Human o hlola. A dire Human o hlola Strive City.
Strive City is must profit Human though.
Let's check.
It's not a debate.
Listen, I want to show you something.
Show me something.
Are you saying something, Mr. Manu? No, I'm getting there. Let me land, Chief. Let me land.
Yeah, lend them.
Let me show you something. Target market ya Human le Strive City di far.
How?
human merchandise what tractor youth ngabo ha ono fumana motho a
but Stripe City di cover di pedi
ha ono fumana motho a 16 years chances tsa go fumana motho a 16 or 17 years a apere Stripe City let's
They are less so tshwantsa gore chances di are less gore o find motho a apere tsa Stripe City
tlo go tsefela example e
nah
Opula Park of ene tsala mmolong I think it was the last park of gore etsa hale mmolong ho tletse
into
Goldfields
Yeah.
yeah
Okay,
don't ya human ola ema McD kanga picture
and what did
I got a picture every angle in that picture ohla merchandise wa human wena o khoning wena o mahareng wena o kohla human
how ka ya cross starter sa gona motho a apere tsa human
how ka constant
yeah
what's up for human
compared to the Stripe City
what's up for one content creator tsa apara merchandise wa human
we won
Ma.
sa di re we won
ma
I don't know that nigga but tla mmona mo
ibana
TikTok
utlwa ha re nega lona wa ilahla
no he's a nigga by the way.
yeah that guy is by us sharp yeah iconic what hana imangwa no
Amtseba
iconic brie or something iconic brie star girl le ngwana o mo ba rata tsamaya le human e tletse mfethu I was actually watching his statuses like mama I think it was last week he had an order from konje ke country efeng e ka ntle mare haufinyana le South Africa mo between bo kapa ye bo Ghana
ya di country bua hantle bana
mare human yeah ona le order e kenang last week
so tshona mlela for brand ba mza bo bubetse to another country
yeah he was actually supposed to send baby days yeah
baby days
yeah or
that waggers nigga
or in communicational diamond he's supposed to send him some merchandise I'm not shitting on Stripe City but show me a content creator besides yourself aparang Stripe City
myself
besides yourself
I know you said myself mara I'm myself
like I respect the Stripe City. Stripe City is a good brand.
yeah
Now I feel like he would do more. I feel like wainyata in a way. Yeah, in a way because he has everything and he can use everything in his power to make sure that he gets out there. The man has everything. So I feel like go at the merchandise we printed we get something to the design we get it.
My nigga,
So,
let's move forward in vid because I think we talked about the locally enough. Abo akabuye ka bola choose because even I get say we choose but ba bangata ne ba rata hore like okay batho ba bangata ba rata hore president of FIFA sa go favor Messi. Do you think that's true or false?
I think it's fact.
Why?
I think it's fact.
Why?
I mean, simple. Check out the game is Argentina. Argentina ke ntho ya rembo sendo. If they fuwa bo le hakwe
Buntu
unitas game bo unitas bo tsiti. Abo mare like shaka team tse lo re di dlala le Argentina ke team tse lo
tse swaka
e ka di sha
ke bo
le di foul Argentina e create di foul tse ngata ka ga game mare di referee di turn a blind eye mare if something happens to player ya Argentina but they are too quick to run to VAR mare if player Argentina e le yona dlala motho mong hampe they don't do that. You understand? So ke la bona TikTok I forgot that creator ne marone itse World Cup ya nutshina it's scripted yabo but based on the matches that I've watched hore na scripted ka Argentina FIFA if president ya FIFA onana for Argentina is going to take that World Cup then I think it's just
so when ona for ke team tse feng tse tlo to finally ka POV
obvious France and Argentina and France is going to win.
Yeah, I can tell for France na le the chances tse paya tsa gore di ka wina ne. Because you can tell ka the way ba bapalang ka teng. The way ne ke shetse game ya e bona tla ka yona go bona. Ai ba fana ba kenya pressure mfana. You whole lie. But you can say you said for like like I said for Messi or on favor side le president of FIFA because like everything like I think she beletse game ya ntho ya Argentina le Argentina kan
in the
Egypt ha ona ba kora so camera ka ine sheba ka setting
la miss
c'est la Messi tu la mano one to president of FIFA.
Oh,
he was like but he was not happy so for ba go rile Argentina so but ha ne ba kora Argentina the man we menga maoto so because since dutse fatshe
ona le moment o le gore Messi ola kobela referee after ba hane goal.
I thought that thing so AI so I thought ke AI
After ba hane goal Messi ka kobela referee o lihlo.
But then it is what it is, you know what I'm saying?
But then first and foremost, before we wrap it up, I would like to apologize to our sponsor. I know sincerely consistent name. But I appreciate the fact that even through our inconsistency, you're still with us, you're still on our side, boy. Understand? So, man, I guess it's a play team forever. We apologize for the inconsistency. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, Mr. 4K Woody himself. And I'm not alone. I'm with my brother, Bro Boy. And it's a rap, baby. Tune in on the next episode of Woody Wednesday, my guy.
Tango.
Stop and came back, let it slide. I'm the bad guy, I'll never change that image. Let's get it. Yo, proper Jack, Mr. Take Your Bitch, bro, we're on the hook. This the type of shit that get you cooked. Chef Woody.